What's up guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'll be showing you how to add a new card to Curve Wallet app. So, in this case, how do you exactly add a new card here? Well, first things first is you want to go ahead and open up the Card Wallet app. Now, from here, you want to go to your wallet section. So, at the very bottom of your screen here, you want to go ahead and click on Wallet. Now, in here, you want to go to Payment, and you want to go ahead and click on the plus button or a square that has a plus button on the center. Now in this case, this will be at the most right side section, so you might want to swipe to the right until you see the section. So go ahead and click on it. Now from here, you have two options on adding your card. Now you can scan your card with your camera, which in this case will automatically get the details from the scanned or the picture that you got from your camera or from your card. Now, in this case, you could also enter your details manually, so go ahead and do either of those. Either take a scan your card here or enter them manually. Now, if you choose to enter them manually, you need to provide some certain details, like, for example, the card number, the expiration date, as well as the CVV at the back of the card. Now, it might also ask you to provide the name that is indicated in the card, so go ahead and make sure that the name that you'll be entering here exactly matches your card. Now, in this case, once you've done that, you should be able to see your card here. It's going to say this card is linked to Curve. Now, in this case, you go and start using it, but that's about it. So, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like or maybe subscribe to our channel. And thank you for watching.